Hi guys, I'm Martin from Make It, and for today I would like to show you one easy quick tip in Apple Notes. I am Apple lover, so I decided to record some video from Apple World, and for today I would like to show you how to easily make perfect shapes in Apple Notes. So let me show you how to do that. I will use my Apple Pencil and my iPad, and I have here a blank note for you. So at first I would like to draw a perfect circle. Let me show you. You must draw something what is similar to a circle. So I will try it. You can see that it's not perfect, but if you hold it, your pen or finger at the end, Apple Notes will create for you a perfect shape. And now I can pick up my pen and I have perfect circle. You can make another shapes. I will show you a triangle, for example. So let's draw it and hold it at the end, pick up, and you have perfect triangle. Let me show you another. We can draw square. And the last one, what I would like to show you is pentagon. So let's draw it, hold it, and pick up. Easy. That's all for today. If you like it, don't forget to like it. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.